Hey everyone, welcome back to A Geek's Garage. So today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm trying something out. Daniel Folsky, thank you very much for your suggestion. I'd never heard of steam cleaning an engine bay before. I looked it up. No offense, I wanted to make sure you weren't pulling my leg. Saw a bunch of videos on it. Seemed like it was a good idea. So I ran out to my local Harbor Freight and got me this thing, the Central Machinery 1500 watt steam cleaner kit. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and go through and start cleaning out some areas of the engine bay and just see how well this thing works. So, yeah, let's see what we get. So let's take a little bit closer look at what I did. This is a before view of the firewall, just trying to show some of the dirt and grime and whatnot that's on here. And then we'll cut to a more cleaned view. The video doesn't really do a great job in showing the difference, although you can definitely see it in, say, like the VIN number, which is much more clear now, as well as some of the other areas around the electronics and whatnot. You can just see that it's a lot shinier. So going through and using this thing seems to have done a good job. Might as well go do the rest of the engine bay now.
So I think this is a really good example of a before and after. So this is inside the driver's side firewall, down by the front wheel. You can see that it is absolutely caked in a lot of grease, grime, road dirt, all sorts of different stuff. And here it is afterwards. You can really see just how much it cleaned up. And the great thing was it didn't make a mess that I would have ended up with if I was using some other chemicals or whatnot. So, not quite exactly sure how long that took, but I did eventually run out of steam, but I also got most of the engine bay done. It seemed to work pretty well. We'll do some up-close video just to kind of hopefully show some before and after. I don't know how well it's going to pick it up with an all-black car, an all-black engine, and just covered in black oil. So I'm not sure how much it'll really show, but I can tell you that with these two eyes, it definitely did a lot of cleanup. There's an area that's really covered in a lot of grease and oil that I'm going to end up hitting with some brake cleaner to try and clean it up a little bit more. But the one thing I'll say is that if I had used brake cleaner to do all this, what I would now have on the ground here, under the car, is a complete mess of a greasy, oily brake cleaner residue. There isn't any of that with using this steam cleaner. So for 120 bucks, this worked great. It allowed me to get in and really clean out the engine bay, make it look a little bit nicer. Am I going for showroom quality? No. This is my first car. We're going to see whether or not I can even get the engine going again. But for the amount of, again, for 120 bucks, it worked great. It definitely looks a lot cleaner, and I'm certainly a lot happier when I go to put the engine in. I felt like I did a good job of cleaning things out and just making it look a little bit nicer on the inside. So with that, thanks for watching. Be sure to comment down below if you got any other suggestions. Again, Daniel, thank you very much. I really appreciate your suggestion. I wasn't quite sure how I was going to do this, but this ended up working out amazingly well, so thank you very much. Definitely feel free to like this video. Be sure to subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you soon. We're going to start rebuilding that engine. So with that, see ya.